Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Um, I have a sheIn stationery haul for you today, and I am very excited to get started with it. First of all, I just want to say that if you live in India and want really cute stationery for relatively cheaper prices, you should definitely check out sheIn because sheIn does have very good stationery, but it is very different depending on how what you choose, because the thing is that sometimes stationery can be very cheap, and like you can get a lot for your money, and sometimes you pay like a substantial amount and get barely anything. So you have to keep that in mind. Shein restock stationery and clothes and accessories and everything on Saturday and Sunday. So you have to be there Friday night 11:59 if you want to get everything you want, because people generally do not know that, and hence they miss out on a lot of stuff. But now you know that and you can do it. Yay. So let's get into it. First of all, I have quite a few things, and I'll get started with um, the lineup of how I ordered them. So the first thing is this cardboard notebook. It's an A6 or A5. I think it's an A6 because this is an A5 and this is an A6. So yeah, I think this is an A6. It's got craft paper on top and silver rings. This is not for me, this is for one of my friends. It's his birthday very soon and he loves being organized but still doesn't like a lot of things going on his stationery. So what this is that you can see it has the monthly calendar. It's completely undated. It has the monthly calendar, and I think it says the days of the week in some other language here. It can be Chinese, Japanese. I have no idea. Like, you could tell me this is something and I'd believe you. And it has a mood tracker, so you can put the year and I think the month on top over here, and you can just write the days of the week, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, blah blah blah, and you can write the habit you want to track and if you did it or no. So I think it's great, and it's got like I think around 50 plus pages of it, and I think it's just monthly, so this will last you a really long time. The paper is very nice, however I cannot test it because it's not mine, it's a gift and I don't want to ruin a gift. So that's that. The next thing that I got is this washi tape. It's this wind chimes washi tape is what they call it. It came with quite a bit of washi, and I did use up a large amount of it. And all in all, I just want to say that it's a very good washi tape. The glue is nice, it doesn't come off very easily, so that is there. And this was 72 rupees, and the notebook that I showed you guys was 262 rupees. The next thing that I have are these washi tape sets. It's called masking tape, and I got it in 3 variants supposedly. However, these two are the same. These two are the same. I will be returning one of these because I accidentally ordered 2 of them because I love the print so much and I didn't realize, and I was in such a hurry. This is variant K, and it's got a very purple vibe, and it's really cute. I love these two. They're really pretty, and I don't really think it comes with a lot. I would have opened it, but I think I have one of these opened up. No, I don't. I haven't opened it and seen it yet. But so that's that. I will be returning one of these, and this was, I think, yeah, 179 each for 10 rolls of washi. It's very cheap, you guys. So this is what I'm saying, is that even if you pay 179 for 10 rolls of washi and you do not get a lot, you still get 10 rolls of washi. So if you're a beginner, you can just get like 2 of these sets and be done with it up till you really understand if you like it or not, and you're not spending so much money. Whereas I know if you would buy this in Itsy Bitsy or something like that, it would cost you like 120 per roll of washi. So I think it's great that they have these sets, and people who are just starting out can easily benefit from this. So that oops, I moved my setup. uh the next thing I have are a lot of things actually. uh so first I have this unicorn memo pad kind of thingy. um so let me open it and show it to you guys. It is very pretty and it's very cute. It's got these page markers, and this 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch sticky note. I'll test the glue out for you guys. By the way, this pen is from Miniso. Wow, what was that heart? Let me stick it on paper itself. I have this notepad here, so I'll just stick it on this. Yeah, the glue is pretty good, which is very surprising for sheIn stuff, because generally the glue for sheIn stuff is not very good. Example, I have this little marble pad, and the glue for this is also from sheIn. This was like 70 rupees, and the glue for this is absolutely terrible. Like sticking it on my skin, sticking it even on this paper, like it's staying now, and you see it comes off from here, it comes off from here, so it's just not, unless I put like a washi down here and here, it does not stick, which is kind of annoying. But I mean, it was very cheap, and I had like 100 sheets in this, and I have only 30 left because I loved the marble print and I just wanted to use it. So after that, what do we have? Yeah, after that we have these sky print memo sheets is what they call it. And so yeah, so these contain 30 sheets. Oh, and I'm so sorry, I keep forgetting to mention the prices. This was 130 rupees, I guess. Yeah, this was 130 rupees. So these contain 30 memo sheets, and it has surprisingly thick paper. Like it's a little thicker than the A4 size sheets that we use, and it just got such pretty prints. Like, oh my god. Okay, wait, I think I didn't show you all one print. Yeah, and just look at these. I mean, it's so pretty, and I can't wait to use these for my pen paling letters, because I really think that they're going to be adorable, and all my pen pals are really going to enjoy them. Although I am a little skeptical as to what I should use these with, so I shall update you guys in one of my upcoming videos as to what I'm going to use this for. This was, they had, I think, around 4 to 5 variants in this, and the reason I got this was because that they had only this left. So you can imagine, even if I was shopping like on Friday night, it was so fast, like it just went. Like I think they restock it pan India on the sheIn India app, and they have other apps for other countries, so people in India are also very well aware about stuff like this. So I didn't know that a lot of people knew that sheIn carried stationery. I discovered it like around 2-3 years ago. So yeah, so this is, let me open it. This is a set of flower decals, and I don't remember the price on this. If I do remember, I'll just put it on the screen right now, and I'm struggling to open this right now. Oh wow, yes, they just don't care. So these are a set of 40 flower decals, and these are, I think, around 200 or something, but I'm not really sure. I will put the price on the screen. So what these are they're pretty translucent, and they do have a plastic coating on the back, so you can take that off and it's a sticker. And wait, I'll just show all the cute ones. Oh, this is stuck, it's okay. Like the aesthetic is very vintage English garden kind of aesthetic. Oh wow, look at this wreath, it's so pretty. Oh my god, these are beautiful. Oh wow, I love these. I will be using these for my pen paling letters as well, because they are just stunning. And I know I won't have the heart to use them, but I will have to, because I can't keep hoarding all the stationery I have. And then I say that I don't have any stationery, which is not the case. So they have these sticker packs on sheIn that are just like, they have various themes. So this was an entirely pink, girl power, feminist kind of theme, and I live for that. So they're just so pretty. They are beautiful. I love this theme that they have going on. This is a pink one, and this was for 283 rupees for a pack of 50, and they are very thick stickers. Yes, these are stickers. They have sticky backings, but I don't want to make this video like 15 hours long, so I won't be opening each and everything and showing you guys, but you will see them in my pen pal with me letters, how to decorate your letters and stuff like that. So the next thing that I have is this Visco Girl Wait, you can tell me. The next thing that I have is this Visco Girl pack of stickers. So like it has AirPods and it has the volleyball. Is that a volleyball? I don't know. Choose happy. Visco is for the girls. Like you can see, like it has scrunchies, and it does have one that says let's say we need to save the turtles or something like that. And look, it has these clout glasses is what I call them. I don't know if it's what it's called. And it has this beaded bracelet that says oof, which is what I use a lot while texting. Oh, and look, it has a Carmex lip balm sticker. Strong female lead. I think I have to stick that on my mom's face because she's a strong female lead. So it has really cute ones and I cannot wait to use these. I wish I had a hydro flask so I could like stick them and be a proper Visco girl, but I don't want to be a Visco girl. But like, I also want to. You feel? So, I do have some other stuff coming in as well. Like, it's not here as yet. So I will be, like, you guys will be seeing it in this video itself, but for me it will be a different day, so the setup might be a little different, or I might not have any of this at all. Depends on my mood on the day. So yeah. And the last thing that I have for now, of course after a few seconds you will see the next montage, the next clip. It is this travel sticky note set. I'm not opening this because I will be returning this as well. I had ordered another print and they sent me something else, but one warning that I have to give you guys is that the stuff you order from Shein, most of it is from Chinese sourcers. However, it is in Indian warehouses. So most of the English that it's typed out over there is not very correct. So here it says travel for me is the source of restore. It's not grammatically correct, but it does make sense. And this makes absolutely no sense. So brave to start, choose to start, will only focus on both wind and rain. I mean, it doesn't make any sense. So okay, so the next item, as I told y'all, I was not able to find this washi, and I finally found it. So it's like so as you can see, it's like perforated here, and you can thus like tear it off and use it as a stamp. Of course, it's not of a real value, but it's just for like craft purposes. I'm not really gonna tear it off, but you can see like you can tear it off here, and it's got like a bunch of different ones, and it's really cute. So the next item, oh, and also this was 225 rupees. I know that's a lot, and I have already used like quite a bit of this, but it is a lot of money for a washi tape, for that to a single one. But I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it. Like I'm gonna use the entire roll, and I know that. That's why I got it, and I know it's no justification because like it's way too expensive, but hey, you know, I'll splurge on myself. The next thing that I got is this Postage thingy. Like I don't even know what it is. I thought it would be great to like write down addresses in my pen pal, like on my envelopes. So like you can see here it says 2, and it's got like the postage print. I think it's great for like writing an address. Like here they have a random address. And how many papers does this have again? It doesn't say, but I'm guessing around like 300-400 sheets because the paper is very thin, like it's super duper thin. So I'm guessing around 250 to 300 sheets, and one of this cost 353 rupees, which is so expensive, but then again you get so much for the price that you give. Like it's almost a rupee per paper. So the next thing that I got is this postage brick thingy, and this was they had so many patterns in this. They had like a completely marble one, they had a completely oops, they sent me the wrong one. I'm gonna have to return this. So the one which I ordered was the pink one, and it said milk tea girl. Wow, I don't know how to talk. It said milk tea girl and not the space one. I don't really enjoy like space stuff. Like I'm not gonna open it or use it because I have to return this. But this was 502 rupees. and I'm literally so pissed that I have to return this, because I was expecting, like, I was really looking forward to this. The one that I bought, the like the cover was pink and bluish. Like, the covers are very similar of both of them, so I didn't realize that it was the same up until now that I opened and saw the sticky notes, which is so sad because I loved this. Oh, and like, I don't like space at all, so it's absolutely of no use for me to get this. Shein's just like really messing up my orders. The next thing that I got is this notebook. This is also a gift. I'm gonna have to take this off. This is also a gift to one of my friends. It's her birthday, like one of my best friends. It's her birthday very soon, so I bought this. So I'm not gonna open it because, like, I don't want to, but I guess this has like blank pages, and I did think it would be like an entire A5 size notebook, but it's so small. However, I know, like, she's not as picky with stationery as I am, so it's fine with her. So this was also very expensive, and you don't know exactly which one you're gonna get because, like, it's random. And this was 321 rupees, which is so expensive. Like, I mean, I don't know, like, as I said, with Shein, it's like you either get like a bang for your buck, and like, you know, also I'm really sorry if the camera is shaky. I have no idea why it's doing that all on its own. It's so weird. Oh my god, it's so weird. It's just shaking on its own. But yeah, so that was the notebook, and the next thing that I have is this it's this writing pad, and I thought it would be like a proper A4 writing pad, and I'm so bummed. So I'm gonna give this to my cousin because she loves like tiny little things and she finds them very cute. So that's why I'm gonna give it to her, and not give it to her, sell it to her. I'm not gonna give it away for free, even though she's my cousin. And oh look, it has like a little damage, like it's got like a little, I don't know, pimple or what you can say. But yeah, like, if you feel it, it's one of those scratchy plastic materials that has a rough texture. So yeah, this was 321 rupees, which again, I mean, why is Shein so expensive? Like, I don't even know. So sorry that you had so many changes and a shaky camera. Like, this is gonna bother me so much while editing. Like, I'm just gonna try and hold it. Like, if y'all literally can't understand, it's pissing me off so much. Whoa, look, that's better. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Again, I spent all of my own money, which is a lot of money, on this haul. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I've got a lot of stationery related videos coming. I've got a lot of hauls coming. I've got a lot of DIYs and informative videos coming. So please subscribe to my channel if you're Indian. And like, I know I say this a lot, like Indian stationery and Indian this, Indian that, but if you live in India, you'll know that it's so difficult to find cute stationery here. And also, like, I know in a lot of other countries, but of course this is open for everybody, you know. You don't have to be Indian to please subscribe to this channel. If you're from outside India and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm a growing YouTuber, so I don't have a lot of subscribers or like a lot of videos, and I'm sorry for that, but hey, you know, let's look at the brighter side. So that's all for this video, and thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.